The number one breakfast mistake causing weight gain after 55. Are you starting your day with a breakfast you is healthy, but the number on the scale just keeps climbing? You choose the light options, you follow the advice, and still, that stubborn weight won't budge. What if I told you one of the most popular, healthy breakfast choices is actually the number one thing wrecking your metabolism after 55? It's a frustrating cycle of eating what you believe is good for you, only to feel starving an hour later and battling cravings all day. It's not your fault. You've just been misled by decades of clever marketing. In this video, I'm going to expose this top breakfast offender, reveal 6 other sneaky breakfast traps, and show you what to eat to finally start losing weight and get your energy back. First, the biggest breakfast mistake, and the smarter swap. Alright, the number one breakfast mistake is starting your day with a meal that's high in refined carbs and sugar, but critically low in protein and fiber. I'm talking about breakfast cereal, toast, bagels, and even flavored yogurts or instant oatmeal. Why is this so disastrous after 55? As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, and our bodies become less efficient at processing sugar, a condition known as insulin resistance. When you eat that bowl of cereal, your body gets a tidal wave of sugar it can't handle. Your system releases a flood of the hormone insulin, and because your cells are resistant, that extra sugar has nowhere to go but into fat storage. This is followed by a dramatic blood sugar, which leaves you feeling exhausted, foggy, and craving more sugar. That innocent breakfast sets you up for failure before 10 a.m. The fix is to build your breakfast around protein and healthy fats. Instead of sugary cereal, try plain Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. This combo stabilizes blood sugar and keeps you full for hours. Trap 1, and the simple fix, starts now. Now for our first sneaky trap, having nothing at all. Many people think skipping breakfast is a shortcut to weight loss, but after 55, this can seriously backfire. When you deny your body fuel in the morning, you can send a major stress signal, ramping up the hormone cortisol, which is directly linked to storing more belly fat. For many, simply skipping breakfast can worsen insulin resistance and lead to overeating later in the day. The fix is simple. Try to eat within about 90 minutes of waking up. It doesn't have to be a huge feast, but it needs to be the right kind of meal. Aim for a breakfast with at least 25 to 30 grams of protein to fire up your metabolism. Trap 2, fearing healthy fats. Here's why that backfires. For decades, we were told fat was the enemy, leading to an explosion of low-fat products. The catch? When manufacturers take fat out, they add back sugar and refined starches to make it taste good. These foods create the same blood sugar spike and crash cycle that drives hunger and fat storage. Healthy fats are essential for brain health, hormones, and most importantly, for feeling full. The fix is to embrace healthy fats. Ditch the fat-free, fruit-on-the-bottom yogurt for full-fat plain Greek yogurt. Add avocado to your plate, or cook your eggs in real butter or olive oil. It tastes better and keeps you satisfied. Trap 3, starting the day with liquid calories. Our third trap is starting your day with liquid calories. This includes most fruit juices, fancy coffee drinks, and many so-called healthy smoothies. A simple glass of orange juice has been stripped of its fiber, leaving you with a shot of sugar that hits your system like a can of soda. Because it's liquid, your body digests it incredibly fast without triggering the same fullness signals as solid food. The fix is to either chew your breakfast or build a smarter smoothie. If you love smoothies, just make sure it has protein, healthy fat, and fiber. Start with protein powder or Greek yogurt, add almond butter or chia seeds, and get fiber from leafy greens and low-sugar berries. Trap 4, healthy foods, oversized portions, watch amounts. This one is subtle. You've switched to healthy foods like oatmeal, granola, and nut butters, but our calorie needs decrease as we age. Even healthy foods have calories, and it's very easy to overeat them. A real serving size of nut butter is just 1 or 2 tablespoons, and a serving of oatmeal is half a cup dry, not a massive bowl. The fix here is mindfulness and a little measuring. You don't have to do it forever, but measuring your food for a week can be a real eye-opener. A great strategy is to use the plate method. Fill half your plate with non-starchy veggies, a quarter with your protein, and just a quarter with high-fiber carbs. Trap 5, breakfast missing protein and fiber. This trap is all about what's missing. A common on-the-go breakfast might be just a banana or a single tub of yogurt. While those aren't bad, they are seriously lacking in the 2 most important things for staying full: protein and fiber. A breakfast without enough of both will not keep you satisfied. Protein is the most filling nutrient you can eat and is vital for keeping the muscle mass that fuels your metabolism. Fiber slows digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar. The fix is to make a point to add protein and fiber to every breakfast. Aim for a palm-sized portion of protein, like 2 or 3 eggs, and add fiber by tossing veggies into your omelet or chia seeds into your yogurt. Trap 6. Ultra-processed breakfast foods. Choose real foods. Our final trap is relying on ultra-processed breakfast foods like biscuits, granola bars, and packaged pastries. Even those with health claims like high in protein are often made from refined flours, sugars, and unhealthy oils that cause a rapid blood sugar spike, followed by the inevitable crash. They offer almost no real nutrition. The fix is perhaps the simplest of all. Commit to eating real, whole foods. This doesn't have to be complicated. You can hard-boil a batch of eggs for the week, or prep overnight oats with protein powder and chia seeds. Focusing on single-ingredient foods is the most reliable way to nourish your body. So there you have it. It all boils down to this. Your breakfast needs to be a stabilizing force, built on protein, filled with healthy fats and fiber, and come from real foods. Making this one change can create a chain reaction of more stable energy, fewer cravings, a healthier metabolism, and finally, the weight loss you've been working for. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these breakfast traps surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. Your story might just be the inspiration someone else needs. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Keep your vibes high and your health higher. Catch you in the next one.